Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Lelit Bianca V3 with us in the shop. Pretty much it came in for just maintenance work. We did a tune-up on the machine, replaced the gasket, replaced the shower screen, also descaling your machine and back flushing it just to clean that E61 group head and clean your boilers, both boilers out. And also we installed a new water softening filter. Here's the older one, as you can see. We replaced it with a brand new one in your tank. So yeah, we're going to test the machine now. We're going to start with a shot of espresso we have here with our test coffee. We're going to put it on, put our shot glass under, and we're going to turn on the machine. And since this machine has flow control, you can control how much water gets through the group head. So I'm going to try to do a little bit of pre-infusion, and then I'm going to let it open. We're going to get to 9. As you can see, a good looking shot there. We're just going to turn it off. Looking great. Now, since it's a dual boiler, we don't have to wait for the other side to heat up. So now we're going to test the steam wand by turning it on. Now we're going to test the hot water function by turning this. As you can see, everything's working well. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.